Would you like to make $1,000 in just 13 minutes using your voice? I will show you today how to make money with voices.com. Plus, I will tell you all the true and the true about voices.com. Is it really so easy to make those money, $1,000 in 13 minutes? Is this business so lucrative as you may think, or is there any better solution to make even more money than this? I will tell you all about it just in a couple of seconds. Stay with me. Welcome everyone, my name is Agnes Glogowska and I'm a content creator in a money-making niche. I know that topic of very popular website voices.com is so popular at the moment and everyone really wants to know, is it too good to be true that it is possible to make so much money in just a couple of minutes? Let's get started. You probably heard about the website called voices.com. This website just is so controversial for some people, and for some it's just a very lucrative source of income.